set builder form. In roster form, elements of the sets are listed. Next is separated by comma, and the third is enclosed with the curly braces. For example, if A is the set of vowels in English alphabets, then what will be its roster form? So vowels are A, E, I, O, U. These are the conditions that we have to follow in the roster form. That is, elements are listed, separated by comma, and enclosed with the curly braces. So this is the example of set of the roster form. Second, if I say if B is the set of you can say prime numbers less than 10. Prime numbers less than 10. So what will be the roster form of this particular set? What are the prime numbers less than 10? That is 2, 3, 5 and 7. Numbers less than 10. What numbers? Prime numbers. So this is the roster form of this particular set. Third example, rivers, 5 rivers of India, collection of 5 rivers of India. If I say C is the set of the rivers of India, then I can write name of the rivers, 5 rivers separated by comma and enclosed with the curly braces. This is the roster form of set. Now next will be set builder form. Now in this particular form, instead of listing the elements, we write the elements by some special property. For example, if I say the same example, if A is the set of vowels in English alphabets, then what will be its set builder form? So that is nothing but the A is equals to, we will write X such that X is the vowels in English alphabets. Instead of writing all the elements, we will write by some special property, that is X. This you can read as such that X is the vowels in English alphabets. So instead of X, A, E, I, O, U. So we will not list elements over here, but we will write in the form of set building. Now next example is b is equals to, if I say b is equals to 1, 2, 3 and 4. Write this example in the form of set builder. So what will be the set builder form of this particular set? B is equals to x such that x is less than 5 and x belongs to n. Why? Because these are the numbers less than 5, strictly less than 5, 5 will not be there. So I will write x is less than 5, and this term is important here, x belongs to n, because x is less than 5 means you can take integers also over there, negative numbers, but x belongs to n means only natural numbers will be there, no integers will be there. Now next is, if I say c is equals to 2, 4, 6, 8, write down its set builder form. So what will be the set builder form? C is equals to x. You can take any letter over here, but I will take x. X such that x is even number less than 10. So this is the set builder form. So we have studied three things in set. Definition of set. Set is nothing but the well-defined collection of objects. Two words are most important. First is well-defined and the second one is collection. Then set can be represented in two ways. First is roster form and second is the set builder form. In roster form, three conditions we are going to follow. The first one is elements are listed, separated by comma and enclosed with the curly braces. And in the set builder form, we will use particular or special property, okay, instead of listing the elements. Now we have reserved some letters for denoting the some special sets. What are the letters? We have reserved letters like capital N. What is capital N? This is nothing but the set of all natural numbers such as 1, 2, 3, 4 up to that will go to infinity. Next is Z. So Z is nothing but the set of all integers. What do you mean by an integer? Nothing but the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, positive as well as negative number including 0. -1, -2, -3. This will go to minus infinity and this will go to infinity. So Z is nothing but the set of integers, set of all integers. Next is Q. What is Q? Q is the set of all rational numbers. Now what do you mean by a rational number? Rational numbers are the numbers of the form P by Q where Q is not equal to 0. Then this form is known as rational number. Numbers having this form is called rational numbers. For example, 2 can be written as 2 by 1. Then 5 by 6. This is P by Q form where this Q is not equal to 0. Non-zero term must be there. Then this number is called the rational number. And the last one is R. that is nothing but the set of all real numbers is denoted by R. Real numbers are the numbers which we are denoting on the real line. So these are the special letters that we have reserved for the sets. If anybody asks what is n, or if you see letter n anywhere, that means nothing but the set of all natural numbers. If you see z, then this is nothing but the set of all integers. Q is nothing but the set of all rational numbers, and R is nothing but the set of all real numbers. So what we have seen: number 1, sets. Number 2, sets can be represented in 2 methods. The first one is your roster form, and the second one is set builder form. The third one is some special letters that we have reserved for our set. Now write down the examples that I am giving throughout this from this topic, and you just have to write down, and you have to tell whether it is a set or not, and convert it into roster form as well as set builder form. So write down the first example. The collection of all months of the year beginning with letter M. Now, is this a set? Yes or no? First of all, what are the letters? What are the months of the year beginning with the letter M? That is March and May. This is well defined as well as collection also. So yes, this is the example of set. Number 2, the collection of most talented writers in India. Is this an example of set? No, because here word talented is not well defined. Talented means in which way. So this is not the example of set. Number 3, the collection of all boys in class 11A of RKC. Is this an example of set? Yes, because it is well defined that the collection of all boys in particular class 11A, and I have given the name of the school also. If it is like if all the boys in class 11A, full stop over here, then is this a set? No. 11A of which school? Of SNK, of Dholakia, of Gandhi. So 11A of RKC. So yes, this is the well defined, and that's why this is the example of set. Now convert the following into the roster form. I am giving the example of set builder form, and you have to convert that into roster form. B is equals to x such that x is an integer 3 less than or equal to x less than 7. So what will be the roster form of this particular set? First of all, we'll list the numbers. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, -1, -2 and -3. Now it is given strictly less than 7. So 7 will not be there. -3, x is less than or equal to -3. That means -3 is included in particular set because it is given less than or equal to. So -3 will be there up to 6. So this is the example of roster form. Similarly, question number 2. Set of all letters in the word trigonometry. Suppose we denote this set by E is equals to T R I G O N O M E T R Y. But I have said something, that is, no elements should be repeated in this set. So T R I G O N, this O will not be there, M is there, E is there, T will not be there as we have already taken, R will not take, and Y it will be there. So this is nothing but the example of the roster form. Now I am giving you one example of set builder form. Convert these into set builder form. B is equals to 5, 10, 15, etc. So what will be the set builder form? B is equals to x such that x is a natural number and multiple of 5. So this is the set builder form. Now one more thing I want to share with you, then we'll end this class. In set theory, order is not important. That is, if I write 1, 2, 3, 4, for example, one set A is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, then I take set B is equals to 2, 3, 4, 1. If I take 3, 4, 1, 2 and D is equals to 4, 1, 2, 3, these all sets are one in the same. That means order is not important. You can write this set as 1, 2, 3, 4 or 2, 3, 4, 1 or 3, 4, 1, 2 or 4, 1, 2, 3. But no elements must be repeated. Repetition of the element is not allowed here. So that's all for today. I hope you all are now aware of this particular definitions and the topics that we have studied: sets, definition of the set, roster form and set builder of the set, and some special sets, some special letters that we have reserved in this chapter. And if you have any kind of query, then you can contact me on my number. I'm there, I'm added there in your group, so you can contact me anytime. That's all for today. See you tomorrow at the same time. Thank you so much.